Peel off the chicken skin from the chicken thigh, just like so. Scoop up some adobo rice. A little bit of the spaghetti in there. I'm just gonna dip it like this. Look at that. Hold up. What's good, y'all? I'm in Jersey City at Jollibee with it today. It is like 9:30 in the morning, and I'm about to have Jollibee for breakfast, y'all. We got the chicken joy. I'm actually here to try out the viral TikTok chicken skin hack. So I got everything I need to do that. The only bummer thing about it was they were out of the spicy joy chicken today. So I had to settle for the regular chicken joy. Boom, hot and ready. Also, you gotta have the adobo rice. The adobo rice is mandatory for this to make it work. Look at that. Also had a side of the spaghetti. Gotta have the spaghetti, right? And with the chicken joy, it comes with the gravy. This is what turns it all the way up. And gotta have the mango pineapple drink. Let me know if y'all ever ate at Jollibee's before. They're a Filipino fast food fried chicken chain. They're popping up everywhere in the United States and worldwide. I think the last time I had Jollibee's was 2019 in Seattle with my homie JL Jupe. Shout out to him. It was in a South Center Mall location. So I believe recently they're opening an actual storefront in Seattle. So that's a good look. But anyway, let's get down to it. I'm gonna show you what this chicken skin hack is hitting for. Roll up my sleeves. All right, so you peel off the chicken skin from the chicken thigh, just like so. Take the chicken skin, scoop up some adobo rice. I see people on TikTok putting the adobo rice. They either wrap it and dip it, or they drizzle it. We'll put the spaghetti, a little bit of the spaghetti in there. The spaghetti. I'm gonna dip this one. I'm just gonna dip it like this. Let me know if y'all are dippers or drizzlers. I feel like I'm a dipper kind of guy. All right. Cheers, y'all. Look at that. Hold up. Wait a minute. Phenomenal bite right there. Yo, this is addicting. I think I gotta put more rice up in this beast. Adobo rice, chicken skin, gravy. Yo, this gravy is undefeated. So good. You guys have to try it. Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you tried it or not. The gravy is what makes Jollibee special. No other chicken chain is doing it like this. Let me try that mango pie. Shoot, should I wrap this in chicken skin? Yeah, I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna take the chicken skin off the drum and wrap the mango pie in it. and then dip it in the gravy. I'll let you know if it's busted or not. Uh-oh. I think I did something, y'all. Oh, this mango pie is so good. I'm gonna save the other half for a dessert. Mmm. So good. It's my first time having their mango pie. I think by itself is fire, but with the chicken skin, dip it in the gravy, give that a try, y'all. Tastes pretty good. I'm gonna just eat it the normal way now to finish it off. I'm gonna go ahead and do the drum. So the chicken is fresh out the fryer. It is blazing hot right now. There's actually 2 locations in Jersey City. There's one by the PAF station. This one is in it's in like a plaza by a Lowe's, across the street from Lowe's. So good right now. This is hitting the spot. Let's try their mango pineapple drink. So the total came out to $17.11. Not bad. If you guys do this hack, make sure you guys get the spicy chicken joy. Adobo rice. And the chicken joys come with a gravy, so you can get the Filipino spaghetti as well. And the mango pie. It's like a deadly combo. Yo, this drink is so good. Refreshing. Mango, pineapple. Match made in heaven. Let's hit up this Filipino spaghetti, y'all. Y'all swear by this. Sweet. Yeah, it's sweet. Has little hot dogs in it. Pretty good, pretty good. I dig it. Let me finish off this thigh, y'all. Actually, let me clean off this. This is a crime. If you throw away your chicken like this, it's a crime. You gotta finish it. So Jollibee only serves dark meat, so if y'all don't know, now you know. I know some people like breasts and stuff. I personally like breasts. Imagine a Jollibee breast, a juicy breast. Shoot. Thighs are fire though. You can't go wrong with a thigh. Definitely the most flavorful part of a chicken. Let me know what you guys like. Did you guys like the chicken, the breast, the leg, the wing, or the thigh? Or leave me a comment. I put Jollibee in a class of its own when it comes to fast food fried chicken chains because of the added gravy. The option of gravy and spaghetti is pretty dope. Let me know what you guys' top 3 fried chicken chains are. I'll go first. I put Jollibee up top. I like maybe an unpopular opinion, but second place would probably be crispy, crunchy chicken. You can often find those at like select gas stations, or they have small brick and mortar joints like throughout like New York City and like Jersey, but they have some of the best, like, I don't know, they inject it with hot sauce or something. It's really juicy chicken, crispy, crunchy chicken. I suggest y'all go check that out. And then I'll probably say Popeyes last, because, you know, Popeyes held me down through tough times back when I lived in Bed-Stuy. They was open late, so I would go get that little 2-piece deal, take it home, eat it with some jasmine rice. That hit the spizzy. But Jollibee, the new fried chicken champ, I believe. I've never had Bojangles yet, but it's on my bucket list. But they ain't doing it though. The gravy just really turns it up. This gravy, y'all. Fried chicken and gravy, it works. Man. This is my breakfast, y'all. It's my day off. I woke up, I said, I'm gonna get Jollibee today. Fried chicken for breakfast. What's it say in the rule book? I can't have fried chicken for breakfast, you know? I'm Asian. We don't abide by American eating rules. Fried chicken could be breakfast, lunch, dinner, midnight snack. But yo, adobo rice come in the clutch to fill you up. What other fried chicken chain offer rice as a side? Service was good. Food came out in like 3 minutes. They bumping all the dope R&B cuts right now. Can't complain. I think this time around, it tastes better this time around. Because it's been so long since I had Jollibee that I forgot how it tastes, so. But I wish there's one closer to where I'm at. I would probably visit it more often. I don't come to Jersey City often at all, but I do plan on coming here because there's a lot of food spots I'm trying to hit up. Shoot content for y'all. All right, last bite of the mango pie. Peach mango pie, pardon me. So good. I am satisfied. Very good breakfast. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please subscribe. And shout out to those that's been real supportive. I rock with y'all. I'll see you guys on the next episode, all right? Peace.